Well, it's a cold and dark start to our Tuesday, that is, and we got some light snow showers out there for you that's at least making a light coating and a bit of a dusting on those roadways and at least your driveway for this morning. So, yeah, give yourself some extra time as you head out the door this morning. Overall, Tuesday is going to be a cold and brisk one. And we'll like to feel like temperatures into the single digits and even the teens for this morning. So take a look at current temperatures right now. 22 degrees in Toledo, 21 in Oak Harbor, out in Tiffin, 21 degrees. And we look at those wind chills, single digit wind chills, 8 degrees out in Toledo, 7 in Findlay, at least in Wauseon as well, 8 degrees. So it is downright cold outside. So you're probably wondering, when will it finally get a little bit warmer? Well, as we go throughout the day, we're still going to see those wind chills at least into the upper teens as we head throughout 1 p.m. today. So either way you look at it, the entire day is just going to be a cold one out there. And eventually, as we head throughout your Wednesday, it starts off cold again. We're talking single-digit wind chills as we head throughout your Wednesday morning, but at least we get some relief where wind chills will be into the lower 20s as we head throughout your Wednesday. So take a look at radar and satellite right now. Seeing some lake effect snow showers out into Lake Erie on the eastern side of Ohio. But of course, for us, a lot of these lake effect snow showers we're seeing are pretty much linked to Lake Michigan, that is. And that's continuing to roll through our area as we go throughout the morning hours. So we'll likely see some areas where we'll likely see some snow showers arrive as we go throughout this morning. So take a look at least those snowfall totals. As you go throughout this morning into the afternoon hours, some areas will like to see a ½ an inch. Of course, out in Toledo, we'll like to see just a light dusting, that is, with places like Bowling Green could likely see just under an inch of snowfall due to those snow squalls that'll be rolling through our area throughout the morning hours. Of course, here's a look at your extended forecast. Overall, as we head throughout your Tuesday, highs expected to only reach the upper 20s, barely reaching 30 degrees for today, but we will reach 30 degrees as we head throughout your Wednesday, where temperatures will be into the upper 30s. We'll see some sunshine return for our Wednesday. Eventually by Thursday into Friday, though, we see more rain showers arrive as we'll be into the upper 40s by Thursday. By Friday, we drop off into the lower 40s. We start the weekend nice and dry. We warm up close to 50 degrees or a few rain showers on the way for Sunday. As we go throughout next week, dry but cold still, as temperatures fall back into the lower 40s by next Wednesday and Thursday.